Hello Flat Earth Addicts, this is James from the YouTube channel Flat Earth Addict. I'm going to title this video Firmament Found by NASA because we all know the Earth's flat, so any of these models that I'm going to show you can be translated into a flat Earth easily. But this is really old news, you know, these NASA probes called the Van Allen radiation, what are they called? Anyway, they're called Van Allen radiation probes. They were launched in 2012. This is an article from 2014. Invisible plasma shield which protects Earth from radiation discovered 7,200 miles above the planet. Scientists have discovered a sharp boundary above the Earth's surface that blocks the ultrafast electrons from entering Earth's atmosphere. Now, I've had a little look at some of the other articles regarding this, and this is from March this year, 2017. Van Allen probes, and this is from Aerospace. Van Allen probes reveal hidden radiation belt. So they're just regurgitating very old news. They say the state-of-the-art instruments flying on NASA's Van Allen probes were designed by aerospace researchers and engineers, and the data they are sending back have now transformed the classic textbook picture of the Van Allen radiation belt surrounding Earth. So I'll carry on reading this. It was previously believed that there was a dynamic outer electron belt surrounding Earth, with an inner belt dominated by protons with a lower energy, yet stable, electron component. These belts are separated by a slot region that is devoid of particles. While scientists have known for some time that the slot region can fill with electrons, blah blah blah, but it's also saying that it's man-made in some of the articles. But here on Wikimedia Commons, NASA Van Allen probes spot an impenetrable barrier in space. So in some of the articles I've read, it said it was a man-made barrier due to radio frequencies, VLF frequencies. But I just think it's worth recognizing that probes went up there in 2012. They're pretty small, although when you look up a picture of them, I mean, if they're some of the instruments on there, the important instruments on there, then they are pretty small. Universe Today, Space and Astrology News. Visualizations of the radiation belts with confined charged particles and a plasma pores boundary. Oh yeah, they're calling it the instead of the atmosphere, the plasmasphere. So there's lots of information here regarding this, and I think it's pretty important regarding our existence, because they're stating that nothing can get through. They're talking about electrons not being able to get through. But we all know that they haven't been to space. They can't get to space. The moon landings were false. So there's more to be discovered through all these articles. This is December 2015. It's a well-known fact that the Earth's ozone layer protects us from a great deal of sun's ultraviolet radiation. Well, were it not for this protective barrier around our planet, chances are we would be similar to the rugged, lifeless landscape we observe on Mars. Beyond this barrier lies another, a series of shields formed by a layer of energetic charged particles that are held in space by Earth's magnetic field, known as the Van Allen radiation belt. Anyway, so this is just a little update, just to put it out there. And look, this is an artist rendition of the Van Allen probes, A and B. So they reckon they've got these massive probes up there orbiting Earth. Of course, it's an artist rendition because everything is all art.